Number 3, there are repair mechanisms within the cell that stop mutations. Even if it could be proven these mutations are somehow beneficial to the creature, there are many mechanisms within the cell that thwart their occurrence and distribution. Biologists have identified more than 50 different types of repair enzymes. That is an amazing thing. You fall, cut yourself, scratch yourself, bruise yourself. These repair enzymes are put there by God to rebuild you and get you back to as close to original as possible. That was done by your Creator. All glory to God. Lowell Coker, who has his PhD in microbiology and biochemistry, said each cell continuously monitors and repairs its genetic material. This not only ensures faithful replication of the master blueprint of life, but also ensures stasis in its function in continuing generations. Stasis is a state of equilibrium. It's called stasis. It's just neutral or inactive. Lowell Coker said these repair mechanisms work against the hypothesized mechanisms of mutation as a principal means for operation in the theory of evolution. So these repair mechanisms work against evolution. That's what he's basically saying. Dr. James Shapiro, a biologist at the University of Chicago, now even simple bacteria have, he said, 2 layers of expert error monitoring and correction systems. It's a multi-layered proofreading system. He said that in an article, Bacteria Are Small But Not Stupid. And he's not a creationist, but he's able to recognize this. We're not just quoting creation scientists who have a bias or an axe to grind. We're quoting some people we don't agree with on some things, but they're coming to the same conclusions. The cell even has the ability to modify its repair system. He said they devote large resources to suppressing random genetic variation and have the capacity to adjust the activity of their repair systems. That's in his article, A Third Way. We'll revisit that shortly. He said, how could cells, well, this is not him talking, how could cells evolve by mutations when the DNA has complex processes to correct mutations? Did blind mutations evolve the ability to stop mutations? One more quote before we go on to the fruit fly. Truthmatters.info said, all cells on the planet Earth are working very hard to prevent the very thing that supposedly created them. Well put.